How to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace so you can start buying and selling again. So first of all, open your Facebook app and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are here, scroll down and select the option of Help and Support. Then click on Report a Problem. Tap on Don't Include, and then over here tap on the option of Marketplace. Here you will need to explain about your issue. You can just explain in the way as I have done it. Once you do that, you can click on the option of Send. When contacting Facebook support, be prepared to provide any necessary information such as your account details, a description of the issue, and any relevant screenshot. The more information you can provide, the better Facebook can assist you. Once you have submitted your report, your problem will be fixed. After your Facebook Marketplace is restored, remember to follow the Marketplace policies to avoid future issues. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can restore your locked Facebook Marketplace and get back to buying and selling with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Facebook Marketplace.